Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the terrain height for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. So everything will just start from beginning. Just start from a fresh new 3D project in iClone 8. And I'm going to just go and call out a terrain for any of the terrain that you can select from here. So I'm going to just select one of it, for example the hill. Just drag and drop. Then now you can see this terrain. If you want to adjust the height of the hills of the terrain, you need to just go to the scene, click the terrain, then you should be able to see this. Then you can adjust the height scale. Just drag and drop. You can see now it becomes flat. Now you drag again. Now it becomes really tall that way. And if you want to just make it smooth, you can just drag here to make all of it become smooth. Or you can just adjust, just make the smooth to become 0 to make it rough. Adjust the height. Now everything looks perfect. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to adjust the terrains, the height of the terrains, the smoothness of the terrains for your iClone 8 3D animation software. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!